Tuesday night. No wind. November what? 8, 9? Cold. How are we doing?
Pretty good.
What's going on in there?
Yeah, sounds like a party going on in there.
Party? Oh, can't have that here. My God. Any news?
We went over to the labor union council today.
Oh yeah, any news from them?
Yeah, they're being quite supportive of us. I think we're gonna get some good cooperation from them.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Well, was Tom Mann here?
He was here. Yeah.
What do you have to say?
A whole lot of stuff. Pretty hard to sum it up.
Oh yeah.
Dropped off a heater.
Yeah.
What?
He dropped off a heater for us.
Where is it?
We've got a kerosene heater now.
Oh really?
Yeah.
The union dropped that off?
Yeah.
Where is it?
It's inside, I guess.
Have a look. Is that it there? No. Hey. Oh, is it safe to come in here?
Hey Charles.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Fine, where's the heater?
The heater right there.
Ah, there it is. Everybody's around it. Long live the union, I guess.
Oh.
So that's a present from Tom Mann?
Yeah. Oh man.
Yeah?
Yep.
Your what?
So the union gave me this.
Oh.
That's news?
Charles.
Well, Charles, were you born in a barn? You gotta close the
Oh,
door.
I know. It's too busy to do a video.
No excuses.
Charles, you got my head.
Yeah,
Now I
really.
feel like a hippie.
So the union give you this.
Yep.
Any comments before I shut this video off?
My feet are real warm.
Because of this.
Oh yeah, it's amazing. Hello. Hello.
One of the fire marshals
Oh,
gonna
nice.
come here now.
Hand on
Yeah, man.
You heard the drums, huh?
He brought his own.
He can hear drums from a mile away.
Wow. Grab a chair, buddy.
selfie the brand.
Oh yeah, it's a Tuesday night, isn't it?
It is.
It is.
Apparently the F Studios was.
Oh, are they?
Renovations, probably. Because they're still renovating.
You know, Chris Mercer stupid.
So how was that run?
On
I was
Kerosene.
there on
Kerosene.
Friday
Yep.
for the Zombieland. And upstairs.
10,000 BTUs of toasty warm power.